I born a bedroom bully. Next question. What is your favorite position? Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. Take. Take two.
So guys,
Take two.
we sit down here, right? Where I did this video, right? And we sit down here for no less than
About 15
40,
minutes.
more than that, about half an hour, 45
Yeah.
minutes. And nothing.
Nothing. Freaking camera never the record.
Like nothing to record.
Nothing.
Not
Nada.
a thing.
Zil. Zip.
So
Yeah.
we go off and do it over.
Yeah, we're gonna do it over.
So watch now. Hi guys.
What's up?
So this is actually the question and answer video that we promised you guys that we're gonna do while we're tipsy. So now
Very.
I guess this
Because we have to go back and pour more
I
juice
guess
in
this
our
better
glass.
because we don't drink half our in already, right?
So we're well tipsy.
So,
So just for funeral purpose, we go back and throw more liquor in our glass.
so you know
Yeah.
because so first question.
Mm.
Oh, we're in the country.
Yeah, we are in deep, deep rural Westmoreland.
Yeah, we're looking for my grandma. She inside Danny cutting her toenails.
Feeny weeny.
So we decided that this would be a good
We're not
setting
going to
to-
tell you we're in Westmoreland. We're just in deep, deep rural Westmoreland.
Right.
As you can see.
So yeah.
You know what's the Akishia open?
Which
You know what's
Akishia?
it?
What
You
is
go on
it?
the back of it.
Alright. So guys, me first?
Okay.
Or you first?
No, you first.
First question is what is it like being a nurse in Jamaica? Being a nurse in Jamaica means that you're always broke. Yeah, basically. To be a nurse in Jamaica means that you don't have all the resources that you need to work with, and you have to have a strong faith to be a nurse in Jamaica. You have to love your job to continue being a nurse. Set the record straight, I'm not a nurse, I'm a midwife. I'm a proud midwife. I'm not a nurse, I'm a midwife. You have to have strong faith. You have to love your job because you don't have the resources that you need. It is lacking in a lot of things. And a lot of times you will go to work and you don't really have what to work with. But you just work with what you have. Be a nurse in Jamaica, you have to really love what you do and have compassion for your clients.
First question. How often do you guys have sex? Yeah, so how often do we have sex?
You tell them. Are you there asking on me?
As much as you think.
Okay.
There you go.
Good,
There
good
you
answer.
go.
Good
There
answer.
you go. Nothing, I need nothing to say, nothing more. As much as you think.
I'm doing 5 questions. He's doing 5 questions for a total of 10.
Yeah.
And my next question is, when are you guys getting married? We're to answer this. Both of us are to answer this because I guess they want to know if you really want married to me. I don't know.
Yeah, so them fast and stay.
But my answer is as whenever he proposes.
So you just left me out in that cold, so?
Answer the question.
I mean, the way I look at it, you know, I mean, we are basically living the life. And the life, I mean, you know, the marriage life. It's just like the ring is not on the finger.
But Ryan, that sound like you say, why buy the cow when you're getting the milk for free?
No, that's not what I'm saying. It's just that it is something that you'll do off your own timing. You see me? So, it don't necessarily means that after you're there together for 2-3 years, you need to run go get married. That's how I look at it. You do it off of your own timing. You get me? Because you find, say, a lot of people go and get married because of church, and they go and get married because of pressure from other people.
Yeah.
You know, they be together for a certain amount of time. People come to them and say, oh, you're not get married now, you're not going to have picnic, you're not going to do this, you're not going to do that. No,
Yeah.
I'm not make them something that influence me. You see
Yeah.
me? So, it is just when the time comes. Simple as that. Already living the life.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's going to happen. That's all I'm saying. but I'm not gonna be pressured into.
You hear
Or
that? It's gonna happen.
or, or do it because of certain people or a certain organization. No. You get what I'm saying? Because as I said, a lot of people them do that and go get married and then 2 months down the line,
Them have a bag of problems.
I just say ring them aware.
Yeah,
Them
it's
not
just
live
a
the
ring,
life.
yeah.
Like what's the point?
Yeah. True.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes.
Next
yes.
question.
Guys, why? We're not gonna just keep it nice. Wait, are your turn? Are your turn?
Nah man.
Yeah, me ask the question. My question.
Oh yeah,
say-
true.
Yeah, so
Okay, next question.
you're drunk as ratty.
Alright, no. Next question. What is your favorite position?
Who's my favorite position?
Which one? What yours, what mine?
Really? Really? Really?
Yeah, I don't know. Like,
We're not gonna. What make?
why?
Fine. Back shot.
Okay. Take a sip. I mean, for me, I can't find a favorite really. Just love everything. No, we said that. That's going out here though. That's going out here. Eh? Yeah. And so yeah, me love to give doggy style, the scissors, the lizard, the missionary, the catapult,
Catapult.
the burpees, the bench press, the flies. The squats. Oh my god.
Next question. Like seriously, guys, really?
What them ask? What them ask?
When having sex, do you like to feel up Ryan's muscles? I get this question. You'd be surprised how often me get a question here, man. Me get a question here often. I don't know what you say.
What do you mean? You like feel up my body?
Me feel up your body, Ryan. You answer that question. Me feel up your body when we have sex. Me feel up your body when we have sex.
Me if you answer that question, or if you answer that question. What question say?
The question says if me feel up your muscle then when we have sex. Alright. Alright, me get a question here so much time. What you know? To me, Ryan is just a regular man. Just a regular man with so additional assets in just have muscles. Not to say that I don't find his muscles attractive. But stop. I find him very attractive. I'm very, very extremely attracted to him. Yes. But to me, it's just a regular. It's just regular. Don't get me wrong, man. Biggest cheerleader and everything when he come on to everything. But to me, he's a regular man. Me not bears. Me not know of
You don't know what to say? I mean, I think why somebody would ask such a question is because they might see me or somebody else and they be always fantasizing about having sex with somebody with a body like mine. So they be asking you the questions to see if
Yeah. I have
Yes.
the answer now. I have the answer.
You
Watch
find
out.
it?
Yeah, man. I find it. Hold on. To come.
that come.
Yeah. It's like I'm not with the idea of being with a man like him who have muscles. I am with him for him. So to me the muscle is like gravy on it. If you get what I mean.
Can I gravy curry or broad stew?
You know me love curry, baby.
Oh my
So,
god.
yeah.
I mean she knows me before the muscle, so
Yeah,
You
yeah.
get what I'm
I
saying?
knew I met him before he had all of this.
I mean, me they have the frame, you know, and mind you, I was still sexy. You know what I mean? I'm just extra with it now. When are you going to operate your own gym? Finally, a question that is not sexually oriented. For those who don't know, I am the proud owner of Squaze, which is a fitness brand, really. Well, it's kind of broader than that, but I'll give you that much for now. It is a fitness brand. We caters to body transformation. I am a personal trainer as well, um, while keeping you looking good in casual and gym wear. So, as I said, it covers a lot of things. Hold them.
You know what I say? He just give a whole advertisement.
Yes.
A whole advertisement.
Yes, of course.
Seriously.
Come on, I say cover a whole heap of things here. So gym, of course, is gonna be a part of it. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna say when as yet, but look out for it. Squares, the baddest, biggest fitness brand. They're going to take over.
True.
Just check me up on Instagram. See it up yourself. You see me I talk about.
So next question is, and we answer both of us answer this question. Have you ever faked an orgasm? No. Nah.
How can you? How could she?
Because Ryan, not everybody will still like you. Hey.
Hello.
It's not everybody.
We're just sitting here recording ourselves.
That is so good. So I would like to do that and can't do it.
That's true. All right. Mommy, no question. We hope you answer.
Oh God, you make me lose between that.
What did I say?
The question was, have you ever faked an orgasm? And I was like, no. And you were like, how can she? Really?
I mean, no, I'm not gonna be cocky and
You're
say,
being
oh, I
cocky.
can't. No, I'm not gonna say I can't. I'll know if my woman fake an orgasm. I'm not gonna say that. That's not what I'm saying. But you know, I mean, you as a man. Well, let me not say.
Me if you answer if me fake orgasm, and then you fi answer if you ever fake it.
All right. No. I've never faked it.
Okay. How could he?
Oh.
Oh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, who is the freakiest?
Him.
The
Big
visa.
and serious. Him.
Yeah, I mean, I think so.
Look at me, guys.
Listen, don't be fooled.
Guys, you spend more time on this channel with me than you do with him.
Do not be
You
fooled by
know
innocent
that I'm
look.
Innocent, you know that.
Nah, don't be fooled, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's a tie. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say we are both at 20. There you go.
And my fifth question this though.
Yeah, got my juice done.
No, me I tell you, say guys, no. The first video did take little longer, I swear. Me.
Yeah.
I can't believe same thing that they record. Oh Lord Jesus. Next
That's how it
question is Ryan a bedroom bully?
I born a bedroom bully. A joke. I am very versatile, okay?
My answer to that is I'm going to block and delete it. I know who you are. I know who send the message there.
Who that?
And me, I go block and delete it.
Who do it?
That girl there. See her there?
Who?
See her watch.
You
See
see
her
you?
there?
You see you? Now allow me. That me I tell you.
Guys, just when the needs arise, then he can be a bedroom bully. When the need arise, so it's.
I mean, as I say, you just have to know how to switch it up.
It's good to mix it up in the bedroom.
You can't be monotonous. That's the word?
You know,
Is that the word?
yeah, you know, say this month actually, the 25th of this month. Today what day? Today what day, Bill?
I think it's the 24th.
Today 24th. Today is the 24th. Tomorrow is actually going to be exactly 6 years since we've been together. It feels like 2 years. I'm not
Damn,
gonna
time
lie.
flies though.
Yeah. My mood and mellow out. Me can't manage. But it's been 6 years since we've been together. So in order for us to have been together so long, you would have mean said we would have to then mix it up.
Yeah.
Or would I get bored long time.
Yeah, there's a lot of spice in the gravy. It's very, you know. Yeah. You know, and for the youngers out there, for the newbies, you know what I mean? Just a word of advice, you know, for you to really maintain a long lasting relationship, you have to be able to switch it up. Make it spicy, make things interesting, be spontaneous.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Do up the things then.
Yeah, and you can't be fickle in a relationship either. You have to work out your problem.
Yeah.
If you're having a meaningful relationship, you can't just no business or no care. You have to work out your problem, fight it out if you must. But at
Yeah,
the end of the day,
no
just
perfect,
remember
you know.
where you come from. Yeah, no relationship not perfect. Just remember where you come from. That's
Because
all.
I feel like everybody else. Wicked too. You understand?
Because nobody not miserable like him.
Me
I'm
not
going to tell you, you're miserable.
Me no miserable. Wee. Have you guys ever done an orgy? Like, what's wrong with y'all? What?
No, it's not. No.
Why would you even
No,
ask a
just
question like
answer.
that?
No.
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 Let's move
No.
right along.
Moving right along.
Let's move right along. As a matter of fact, that's where this video ends. That's it.
I swear, the first one was even more fun.
We did a Q&A before.
We did one a few years back. Right, but I'm talking about today. The first one was really, really fun, and I kind of regret it wasn't recording.
That's how the thing go.
Yeah, so we just do it,
It
over.
happens.
Right, so we're going to have another one. I guess in the new year we'll have another question and answer, right, babe?
Yeah, definitely. We're going to have a
Right.
next one.
So you can ask your questions, further questions in the comments.
And if you think that we should answer more questions, because Dee did 5, I did 5. So if you want us to do more questions, let us know.
Right.
And if you're liking this, let us know by liking the video.
Sharing the video.
Subscribe.
It's free.
There's a little red button at the bottom.
Just subscribe, it's free. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Because if you don't hit that bell, you won't get the notification. And if you're watching the videos and you're not subscribed, why? What you waiting
Just
on?
press the button.
Just press the
That's
button
all I did
and
that.
hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
You know, so
Because
me-
YouTube are going to bag of things and all. So just click the notification
Yeah.
bell so you know when we put up the video. Yeah?
So if you have any further questions that you'd like me to answer or you'd like me to pass on to Ryan, do it in the comments or in my DM on Instagram.
There you go.
Alright, so guys, I guess this is where we're gonna end this video.
Yeah, because my foot crumble.
And me drunk as may admit to my frass out. My frass right out right now, like yeah.
Yes, sir, go ahead. Your friends are red.
So this was fun and yeah. So
Huh?
say bye now, say
No, I feel something that.
say it for me now, me can't
No,
manage it.
That's too girly for me, say.
So guys, don't forget to hit your subscribe button and do what you have to do. And
Yeah.
until next time. Bye.